Let me ask you something. Do you want a truck that makes you money or one that drains it the second you buy it? This is a 2014 Volvo Vnl780 with a high-rise 77-inch double bunk sleeper built for space, comfort, and long days on the road. Under the hood, you've got a 600 horsepower Cummins ISX-15, a certified RECON engine installed by Cummins with only 277,000 miles on it. It's paired with a 13-speed EATON Fuller manual, a 230-inch wheelbase, and 3.42 rears, a strong, balanced setup that delivers both power and drivability. And if you want added peace of mind, there's an optional 2-year unlimited mileage warranty available. Now let's talk about what's already been done. We've invested over $55,000 into this truck. That's not the price. That's what we put in so you don't have to. The engine overhaul alone came in at over $51,000. On top of that, we completed a full PM service, interior reconditioning, including mattress, seats, flooring, and panels, and finished it off with a professional detail, inside and out. And here's something most places won't do. We put in over 100 man-hours into reconditioning every truck we sell, inside and out. That's time, detail, and attention you can actually see the moment you walk up to it. So this truck doesn't just run like a high horsepower unit, it looks and feels like one too. You can spend this kind of money yourself and deal with the downtime, or you can step into a truck where the hard work is already done. And just like every truck we sell, Ray put it through a 50-mile road test to make sure everything is operating exactly the way it should. If you want a 600 horsepower Volvo with Cummins power, a fresh RECON, and real investment behind it, this is the one. As always, easy financing is available through our friends at CAG Truck Capital. Check out our full inventory at www.roaddogtrucks.com or give us a call at 1-833-ROAD-DOG.